Pope Francis in Poland 2020-2012, a civil unrest broke out in the Romania in January 2012 because of the introduction of the new health reform legalization, but also by the unpopularity of the Basco government. The unrest continued until the Victor Ponta resignation on November 2015 in the wake of the collective nightclub fire. In 2013, France intervened with its army in the North Mali conflicts, defeating and the Islamists who had taken control of the country. 2013 Pope Benedict XIV resigned on February 28, becoming the first pope to the step down since 1415. Benedict takes the title Pope Emeritus and the at subsequent papal conclave. Cardinal Giorgio Mario Bergoglio in Argentina is the elected pope on March 13, becoming the first Latin American pope. Bergoglio takes the name of the Pope Francis. 2013 Park Geun-hye is elected president of the South Korea, the first woman to hold the position. 2013 President of the Venezuela, Hugo Chavez, and dies due to the protest cancer and replaced by the Nicolas Maduro. 2013 convicted Kurdish leader Abdullah Öcalan puts an end to the armed revolt against the Turkey. 2013 British politician and the first female prime minister Margaret Thatcher dies at the age of 87 from the stroke. 2013 Siliki rebels seize power in the Central African Republic outside the president and the government and beginning a civil war. 2013 Iran allows international inspection on its nuclear policy in exchange of the removal of the sanction and the rights to produce a small amounts of the low-grade enriched uranium, thus marking an apparent new policies toward the United Nations under Hassan Rouhani presidency. 2013 Syria avoided an American intervention on its soil during the Syrian civil war, accepting to destroy all the chemical weapons stocks owned. 2013 Croatia becomes the 28th member of the European Union. 2013 China unilaterally declared an air defense identification zone in the East China Sea, including over the Senkaku Island and a group of the islands held by Japan, but claimed by both Japan and the China, and then Sakura Rock claimed by both China and South Korea. Ukraine Euromedian peoples protesting in favor of the Ukraine European ways. Pro-Russian separatists in Donetsk, Ukraine. 2013 South African politician and civil leader Nelson Mandela died at the age of 95 from the natural causes. 2013 the South Sudanese civil war breaks out. 2013-14 political crisis in Thailand breaks out and the government declared martial laws. Later 2014 Narendra Modi becomes the 14th Prime Minister of the India with the clear majority in the election. 2014 Ukrainian President Viktor Yanukovych is ousted amidst an Euromedian revolution. The Russian Federation annexes Crimea and low-intensity war in the Donbass started between the Ukrainian government and the Russian-backed separatist Malaysian Airlines Flight 17, a civilian commercial aircraft, is shot down in the pro-Russian separatist-controlled territories in the eastern Ukraine on July 17, 2014. During the Syrian civil war, the terrorist group Islamic State of the Iraq and the Levant rises and the series of the terrorists in the northern Iraq and Syria near the border with the Turkey. The United States led a coalition of more than 30 countries to destroy ISIL. Meanwhile, Russia lead a coalition with Syria, Iraq, and Iran and Russia. The military action began on September 13 and 2015. 2014 Scotland, with the 2014 independence referendum, decides to remain part of the United Kingdom. 2014 Israel. In July 2014, tension rose again between the Hamas in Gaza Strip and state of Israel. Hamas fired hundreds of the missiles into the civilian cities in Israel. The IDF retaliates and conducted air strikes on the Gaza Strips for more than a month. Casualties were high on both sides. 2014 in the Burkina Faso, President Valais and the Campero resigned amidst separate protest due ending 27 years of the leadership. 2014 in the Romania, Klaus Iohannis won the November 2014 election, becoming the first Romanian president to come from an ethnic minority. 2014 on December 17, U.S. President Barack Obama and the Cuban President Raul Castro announced the beginning of a process of the normalizing relation between the Cuba and United States, ending a 54-year stretch of hostilities between the nations. Meanwhile, on July 2015, with the full diplomatic relations, the embassies of the both countries were opened after 5 decades. 2015, two gunmen brothers Said and Karif Couch commit a mass murder at the office of the Charles Hebdo to Paris on January 7, killing 12 people. Following the attack, about 2 million people, including the more than 40 world leaders, met in Paris for a rally of national unity, and 3.7 billion people joined demonstrations across the country. The Paris Jewish Charlie becomes a common slogan of the supporters at the rallies and in social media. 2015 Singapore politician and the first Prime Minister of the Singapore, Lee Kuan Yew, died at the age of 91. 2015 in China, the Communist Party announced the end of the one-child policy after 35 years. In 2015, the Supreme Court of the United States in Aubrey Giffel v. Hodges determined that the same-sex couples have a constitutional right to marry